Transparency is really important to me. The cost of the window with us is the cost of the window. It doesn't matter who you are. We actually make vinyl windows here in Tucker. The company's been in business for 45 years. We make single hung windows, we make double hung windows, we make them exactly how you want them, precisely to your size, precisely to your specifications. We make everything here on site at our factory. We have customers that come in and are looking for a real inexpensive option, and then we have someone who's looking for every feature and benefit, so we can kind of make whatever you'd like. We have a great team of people. Our team in the office, we have a team of 4 people. 3 of them speak Spanish. The 4th one, Eddie, he's got probably 50 years in the construction industry. You can call us up, reach out to us through the website. You can walk right in the door. We're open Monday through Friday. Our lead times are short, usually just running a couple weeks. Then it'll be ready and we'll call you. Everyone who works with us always says that we are so easy to work with. We have great products, that we're the best kept secret, and once they find us, they just can't wait to continue to work with us.